Hello, tomato enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of heirloom tomatoes. And specifically, we're shining a spotlight on one of our favorites, the black crim tomato. Now, if you've never heard of the black crim tomato before, you're in for a treat. This unique variety hails from the Crimea region of Ukraine and is cherished by gardeners and foodies alike for its exceptional flavor and stunning appearance. As you can see, the black crim tomato gets its name from its distinctive coloration. When fully ripe, these tomatoes develop a deep, almost black hue that's truly eye-catching. But it's not just about looks with the black crim. What really sets this tomato apart is its incredible flavor profile, with a perfect balance of sweetness and acidity, along with rich, complex undertones. It's no wonder why so many gardeners swear by this variety. Just look at that. Each slice is bursting with flavor and juiciness. Whether you're enjoying it fresh in a salad, sliced on a sandwich, or cooked into a sauce, the black crim never fails to impress. Now, if you're thinking about growing your own black crim tomatoes, there are a few things to keep in mind. These tomatoes thrive in warm, sunny conditions, so be sure to plant them in a spot with plenty of sunlight. They also appreciate well-drained soil and regular watering to keep them happy and healthy. And don't forget to give them some support as they grow. Like many indeterminate varieties, black crim tomatoes can benefit from staking or caging to keep their sprawling vines in check. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, I highly recommend giving black crim tomatoes a try. Not only are they a joy to grow, but they'll also reward you with some of the most delicious tomatoes you've ever tasted. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips, tricks, and inspiration. Until next time, happy gardening!